guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm coming back with the most requested video on this channel, which is like my review of the Oran sandals from Hermès. I just have the box here. So basically I've made this video in French and I received some comments from you guys just asking me to do the video in English as well. So there you go. I'm gonna give you like all the tips and tricks that I have, like my experience and honest review regarding the Orans from Hermès and if I really recommend them or not. So if you like this type of videos, do not hesitate to subscribe to this channel, of course, and do not hesitate to follow me on Instagram. I will put it just here. I would be more than happy to have you there. And let's get started. So for my Oran sandals, I bought them in 2020. So that's why when I will show them to you, you will see that it's like the old model. It's not like the new one anymore. So basically, whenever you will buy your Oran sandals, it will come in this type of boxes from Hermès. So basically, you have the box, the orange one, like this. Whenever you open it, you will have like the ribbon, of course, that I've already removed. So basically, this is going to be the ribbon on your box. Then I've just received like the Hermès, like, you know, type of thing where they put your receipt on there. Then I just have like a cute card for my essay that I really like. And then you have like a little, like I've just had a little, it has anything related to Hermès and, you know, like just pictures and this type of thing. So whatever, I always keep these things, you know, like you never know whenever you really want to sell your product, not keep it anymore. Like you never know what can happen. So it's always better to keep everything in the same box so that you can be like sure that you can sell your product safely and have like everything. They will come in these pouches. So basically it's like typical for the brand. You will receive everything in this type of pouches, even like the Birkin and Kelly's. They are provided in this type of dust bags. And I will show you the sandals. So these are the sandals. I have them in black, as you can see, and it's the last collection. Right now they are not beige in this part anymore. They are all black, which is nice to be honest, but you know, at least, you know, I just give you a piece of information. Regarding the price, unfortunately the prices, they tend to increase. But I just find that the price increase at Hermès is always really reasonable. So I got them around 490 euros back then, but today I think that they are more than 500. Also, regarding the quality of the sandals, do I recommend them? Personally, it's one of my most worn pairs. I've done everything with them. I'm not this type of person who like baby their products or shoes or luxury items. I really don't baby my stuff. So for me, I recommend them 100% for you guys if you want to buy them. They are sturdy and you always have like Hermès. If you need anything from them, you can like just carry your pair to the boutique and they will always make sure to provide you with such a wonderful service, something that you won't find at Chanel, for example. But you know, this is just my personal experience. In terms of the size, because I received some questions, especially on Instagram, basically for me, if you have a boutique near where you live, please feel free to go there and just try out this pair. Because for me, I have received so many answers. And there are some of you who went with the size up, size down, or half size up or half size down. So if you have like any boutique near where you are, or if you're gonna travel to a place where there is a boutique, just go and try them out. And if not, I think, if I'm not mistaken, you can order them online, try them out, and then if they don't fit you, you can always like just get back, like send them back to Hermès and like buy another size. They really go with everything. You can dress them with like skirts, dresses, shorts. It could be minimal, colorful. For me, they are really versatile and it's one of my favorite pair of sandals ever. And really, if you just ask me if you should go and buy them, I think that you can just go and buy them right away. They are really amazing. And last but not least, I received some questions regarding the comfort. It depends on the type of leather that you may have. Mine is the box leather, which is like more sturdy and hard to break. But once you break the leather, they are the most comfortable sandals that I have ever owned. I don't baby them, as I said, and I really, really love this pair of sandals. They are my favorite. So I've also received some questions regarding the Kelly belt. I will do a separate video, I think, just to give you my opinion and the prices and everything, and how I got mine. And yeah, I think that I did not forget anything. If you have like any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I would be more than happy to answer. And I shall see you on the next video. Bye guys.